Hey, let me show you the best features of the Redmi Buds for active. So first of all, I'm going to show you what we can find in the Xiaomi earbuds application. When we go into the additional settings, we can actually turn on and off the low latency mode. Sometimes it's also called the game mode. So we can simply turn it on and off by clicking on this switcher. The second useful option actually doesn't appear in the application basic because, as you can see right here, we can only find one function that's actually this low latency mode. But when we open any streaming services, like for example the YouTube music, you can actually turn the next song by using this touch control, quickly tapping 3 times on the touch arena. 1, 2, 3. As you can see now, we can turn the next song. It also works the same for the right one. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Another feature is to play and pause your media. So we can double tap 1, 2. You can pause it and play. It works the same for the both earbuds. And we've got last two options. We can actually, I just forgot, we got actually three features left. So another feature will be to answer the calls, and when you are on the call, I mean when someone is calling you, you can just double tap right here and you will answer these calls. If you want to end or decline call, you will have to click 3 times quickly. 1, 2, 3. And you will end or decline these calls. Of course, right now it is not working because I'm playing music, but if there's like any call, you will actually be able to use it. And the last feature is the mono mode. So we can only use your one earbud. So when you are connected with your phone, you can actually put left or the right earbud into the case, then close it. And after this, you can actually find that only one earbud is working right now. So we can easily use mono mode on this device. And that's basically it. That's all features, the useful features that you can use on the Redmi Buds for active right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.